Okay, so hi everyone. This is my approach for the superhero test assignment. So first I'll be running you through the functionality and the interface, how it looks and what all function it has, and then we'll move to the code part. So as you can see, this is basically a superhero hunter website. I mean, you can search about your favorite superheroes, get every details about them and all that. So to search about a superhero, you need to go here and click, suppose you want to search for Batman. So you go here and you type the complete or initials like BAT, I'm searching BAT. So it shows me all the superheroes that have Bat in their name. So as you can see, Batgirl and all of it is shown here. Suppose I want to see information about Batman. So I click over Batman, it takes me to the page which shows the details about Batman. Power, intelligence, strength, everything is shown here. And I can go back by pressing on the home button. Another functionality which I have is I can add any superhero to my favorite list. I mean, I can have a personal favorite list of mine. Suppose I want to add this Batgirl to my favorite, so I clicked here, this turned red. That means that Batgirl has been added to my favorite. I can add Batgirl 4, Batgirl 5. Now I can check my favorite list by clicking on here. So I have all these three items that I just added. I can delete any superhero by clicking on the delete button. So now these two have been deleted from my favorite list. I can go back to home from here. So this is the functionality of this superhero website or superhero hunter app. Now moving to the code part. So starting off with the first page, this is the very first page that I've made. This is the basic container, this is the heading and all of this. This is the search area where you type in the name of the superhero. Now moving to the JavaScript part of this page. So one second, yeah. So first of all, I would like to inform that I'm making the data and all of it available with the help of API. So this is the main API link. This is the API that I'm using to get all the information about the superhero. So starting here, I'm getting all the elements by IDs which are required from the HTML, and I'm initiating a favorite buttons array. Starting it is an empty array, and to fetch the information from API to get the information, I'm using the XHR request method. So you can see I'm making an XHR request, XML HTTP request, and I'm getting this data. And if the search value is greater than 2 in the search area, I'm adding an event listener of key up, and that means whenever a key is pressed in the search area. So if the length of that entered part is greater than 2, then a request to the API is being made, and we all know that the request is in the form of JSON. So in order to use it, we need to parse it. So here I'm parsing the JSON request that I'm getting, and I'm basically adding it to my list items, which shows the items that are being searched. So here I'm appending it to the search results. So it's shown like all the names associated to that keyword pressed by me. And for that superhero, adding to the favorite part, I'm making use of the local storage, which is a persistent storage. So you can see I'm adding the ID of that element to the local storage, which stores the information. This is it. On the click of that heart button, I am getting the superhero data saved to the local storage, and if I'm clicking it back, it's get removed, and accordingly I'm setting it to update the details. Okay, so the next part is hero details. I mean, superhero details, all of it is shown. This is the basic HTML code, all of it, name, bio, ID, and JS part. So in the JS part, as you can see, yeah, I'm making the request again from HTTP request again, and I'm showing data on the screen with the response and all of it by appending it to the list, basically. Not a list, a single particular superhero, basically. So yeah, the third part is the favorite hero, the favorite list that I have. This is the favorite hero list. This is basic HTML, and let's see, favorite JS. Yeah. So here, favorite hero, I'm doing this, I'm getting the elements that are required, and then I'm for I'm appending it to the list, and to remove an element I'm removing it from the local storage by when the click is made to that element, and this is it, set item, that means updating the details. So this is my complete approach. Then there's basic styling for all the elements, nothing fancy, it's just simple basic styling. So this is my approach for this